So here is the Pro Shift. Well, this is the OEM Shift spring thingy. It's on this little roller right here. And you can see where it came from right there. So that little T30 hole goes in there. Someone made a review and said they regretted not putting the spring on first. So I'm gonna basically duplicate this action over with the new one. So I believe all I have to do is transfer over this T30 and this little bracket that holds it behind there over to the Pro Shifter. And then make sure the spring is in the same orientation, and then we can mount it up and we're good to go. Okay, so here's the Pro Shifter. So you can see the ceramic bearings there, new spring, which is larger than the old one, and has a new hole there, which wasn't present before. And then I transferred the spacer and the T30 over and put a little Loctite on there. There was Loctite present. So let's get it mounted up, and I think that'll be it for this kit. Unfortunately, I can't really review it because, well, I can't really ride yet, but I spoke to a friend who has this on his 690, his 2016, and he said it was like massive. I mean, he went in to replace the OEM clutch because it was reaching end of life. He threw this in because he got it somewhere from another friend and was like, no more false neutrals. He said it was one of the cheapest and best things he'd done to the bike, and so I'm happy to kind of follow in his footsteps. All right, cool. All right, and we're in. So that's right there on the edge. And the spring is in place. Obviously, you kind of assemble it all together. Then you slide it into it. There's a little groove right here for the spring. And then you'll see here that it's spring loaded now. I put a little Loctite on there just in case. I think there was some there from the factory. There's our quick shifter kit. Pretty cool.